Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is November 15th, and on this post, I'm going to be talking to you about the overall crypto markets, as well as recapping on Uniswap. As a follow-up post to my post yesterday, I'm going to be sharing with you guys now my bullish and bearish case scenario and see if anything has changed, as well as the short-term price prediction for this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. If you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing. Now, if you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way. Let me know what symbols you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my opinions and analysis on those symbols. Now let's take a look at what exactly is going on in the market first. Most importantly, I like to take a look at Bitcoin dominance because I would like to know who's in the driver's seat today. Is it Bitcoin or altcoin? Currently, Bitcoin dominance pretty flat. It reflects that both Bitcoin price action and altcoins are still pretty flat as well. So let's see what exactly is going on with Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin price action, since it has actually reached its recent all-time highs at about 16.5K, I have mentioned that there was possible daily bearish divergence on the daily time frame that could have played out already or could still continue to play out. I would like to keep my a very close eye out on Bitcoin price action because any pullbacks in Bitcoin price action could actually drag a lot of the altcoins down with it, as we have seen earlier today. For that sudden drop when Bitcoin came down to almost as low as about, I believe it was 15.8K. So very careful with Bitcoin price action. Total altcoin market cap currently at about $156 billion. Still very well above that 21 simple moving average on the weekly time frame. So in my opinion, we're still very well on a uptrend. Now let's take a look at what exactly is going on and what has gone on in Uniswap today. Yesterday, I had emphasized at looking at the 6-hour time frame because I saw a double top pattern that could be playing out. It did not play out. So we did have that pretty bullish candle here that broke above the $4 level and went as high as about $4.25. Okay, now that has collapsed back all the way down to about $3.60. I hope you guys had risk managed and perhaps not take that loss. So why did the price action come all the way back down to about $3.60? Well, let's dig in and see if I can possibly explain it. Now let's take a look on the hourly time frame on Uniswap UniUSD. On UniUSD 7 hourly candles ago, where we had this huge bearish candle. Take a look at your other altcoins as well as Bitcoin. You guys can see a lot of the charts, and of course Bitcoin will have that same bearish candle. This is why I keep emphasizing keep a close eye out on Bitcoin, okay? That could drag a lot of the altcoin price actions down with it, regardless of how good of a setup the altcoin price action may be having. Now, second, I want to emphasize on why I keep talking about risk management, because I don't want to take a huge loss like this. Okay, so point one of what I do, I can share with you, is that I will continuously chart my price action patterns. So just because the price action last night looked very bullish does not mean I would be complacent about leaving my positions just sitting there and not continuously evaluate. I will continuously evaluate and regularly chart the patterns and see what is going on in case if anything comes back against me. Now, I will see that this bearish double top pattern is forming, and I would look out for that, okay? Just act accordingly. Now, second point would be for me to actually monitor the RSI as well, because that's very important in my opinion. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we did see a higher high on the price action, which normally is pretty good. However, do also take a look at the RSI graph as well, because even though we did form a higher high on the price action, we had a lower high on the RSI, which is bearish divergence. When bearish divergence is apparent, it could signal a pullback just like this one, because what it's really telling me is that the buyers are losing momentum and the price action could come down. Now, it may not always play out, but when it does, more often than not, it could signal a pullback. Now, this is also apparent on the 6-hour time frame as well as the 12-hour. Now, this brings me to my point number 3 and my risk management technique, which would be adjust my stop loss according to point number 1 and point number 2. Now, these are how I do my risk management. You guys let me know how you do it. So, now, given that we have a evaluation of the current situation now, let's take a look at some of the bullish and bearish case scenarios. Bullish case scenario, obviously, for us to get back above $4, which is this fib level right here. Given that we stay above $4, my price target still has not changed, because that is the price target of the breakout of this falling wedge. Okay, in theory, that is the price target. That's the measured target at about 4.7, $4.70. Given that we stay above $4, we are not there yet since that collapse. Now, what is the bearish case scenario? The bearish case scenario, let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, we have been supported by this 4-hour 21 simple moving average, which is the blue line right here. It looks like it is holding right now, but if it does not hold, always have to know what if something does not go your way. Let's take a look at the 6-hour time frame. If the 4-hour 21 simple moving average does not hold, the next moving average and the next support I'll be looking at would be about maybe $3.47, $3.50. That will be the next level of support if the 4-hour 21 simple moving average does not hold. So it's quite a bit of a way down. I would risk manage accordingly. Now, if the 6-hour 21 simple moving average does not hold, what is next? Will be the next fib level right here at $3.15. Okay, so these are the two key levels of support I'll be looking out for if price action continues breaking down. Now, which one do I think is more likely? Let's zoom out to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, let's take away this chart now that it's useless. We'll be looking at the daily time frame and see what exactly is going on according to the candle patterns that's available to me. So first of all, we had a pretty significant drop 2 days ago. Now sellers are unable to push the price lower than the previous day. And according to today, so far at least, it's not too far into today, we have not had any lower price action than the previous day. So on the daily time frame, it still looks pretty bullish to me. But always risk manage. Now, this concludes my post for today on Uniswap, UNIUSD. Let me know if you guys found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. As always, I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. Let me know your agreements, disagreements. I'll see you next time.